I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Andrew Shipley, and I want to take a couple minutes to actually talk through the potential for our strong to severe storms that will be working its way across the state of Florida tonight, as well as much of tomorrow, including us here in Southwest Florida for you. And it's all due to this large area of low pressure marching across the United States here tonight. And you can see right up along the cold front, this right here, that's that squall line that we are watching forming here tonight. And that's what's going to bring us our strong storms tomorrow night. Now, out ahead of this, you can see this influx of moisture pushing off the Gulf of Mexico, bringing storms already to portions of North Florida, out through Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and out towards Texas here tonight. And that's where we're already seeing rotating thunderstorms out ahead of this cold front altogether. And that's also where we do expect some of the strong storms to be here tonight in towards tomorrow morning, is that northern portion of the Gulf of Mexico and then in towards the Florida Panhandle. But by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, you see that full squall line pushing through Tallahassee, where they've already closed schools there in Leon County. Florida State is closed for you tomorrow as well. A number of other schools have been closed tomorrow, or closing early, or maybe not having those after-school activities like in DeSoto County here locally. We're also seeing the National Guard operations already activated because of this storm system. We are expecting the potential for a major severe weather outbreak across portions, especially northern portions of the state of Florida. But by 4 o'clock, we already seen that moving to central Florida, and then by the evening hours, southwest Florida for us. So here tonight, we are seeing that greatest risk, that enhanced risk, that 3 out of 5 severe risk from Houston through Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and then out towards Pensacola and Tallahassee. And then as we get into tomorrow, that enhanced risk shifts off to the east, basically from Panama City, Tallahassee to Jacksonville, all the way north into North Carolina, and then just north of Orlando. And then south of that is where that slight risk and marginal risk is, where we are included here in Southwest Florida. But in the meantime, it's been a pretty quiet night for us. We're seeing just mostly cloudy skies. That's pretty much where we're going to see the rest of the night, as temperatures dropping into the upper 60s for us, though we'll start to get rather breezy here tonight into tomorrow morning with sustained winds out of the southeast at 14 miles an hour. And again, 67 degrees is going to be that overnight low, about 10 degrees warmer than we were last night. Now, as for tomorrow, those winds out of the south, 15 to 25 miles an hour, are going to cause what we call warm air advection. So any of that warm air mass to our south down into the Caribbean, that's going to be surging off to the north here with those strong south winds, warming us up into the lower 80s. And those low 80s, well, that's going to help add that extra juice to the atmosphere, especially off to the north, where we do expect that interaction with that cold air up along that cold front. That's why we're looking at the potential for that severe weather, that influx there. We also got some extra spin in the atmosphere with the jet stream and whatnot. But we are looking at a wind advisory in effect from tomorrow morning through 7 p.m. Tuesday for all of Southwest Florida. This is because we are expecting winds to continue to increase tonight, and then tomorrow morning waking up with gusts 25 to 30 miles an hour. And then 1 o'clock in the afternoon, check this out, all ahead of that storm system. Remember, it's coming on in that cold front in the evening hours. So 1 o'clock in the afternoon is all out ahead of this. South winds very strong, gusting to about 40 miles an hour, maybe even some spots up to 50 mile an hour winds, especially the further north you get. And then right up along that front, watching those gusting winds as well. And then you get on the back side, those winds die down, but still remaining a little breezy into the overnight hours. So what are we expecting during the day? Again, besides the wind, looking at partly sunny skies out there, and then you get into the afternoon, that's when our eyes shift to the approaching squall line for you. So here's 4 o'clock. You can see it approaching Sarasota County for us, and then getting into, say, Sarasota, DeSoto, and Charlotte County right around, say, 6 o'clock in the evening. And I know that's a lot of the times when folks are heading home from work or got evening plans. Maybe you just want to stay home tomorrow. Maybe get out of work a little early if you can. Maybe just avoid being on the roadways, because if we do get, in fact, that tornadic threat, you do not have a place really to go. It's best to, kind of be inside your home in that secure place, in that center of your home, away from windows if you do get that tornado warning. So you can't really do that on the roadways. So again, maybe best to leave work a little early, get away from the weather, be home with your family, whatnot. But we are looking at that continuing to work its way southward as we get in towards the evening, down into Lee County as well as Glades County by the 7 o'clock hour. Now, it does start to lose steam there, but still looking at strong storms as it works its way south down in towards, say, Collier and Hendry County into the 8 o'clock hour. But by 9 o'clock, it's already starting to weaken, especially that tail end here in Collier County. So that threat of tornadic activity goes down, but you're still looking at maybe those gusty, strong thunderstorms pushing on through and then kind of really weakens out by after midnight, but maybe some lingering showers behind that. So latest from the Severe Protection Center is the worst weather is going to be up into Central Florida and North Florida, but still here in Southwest Florida, you get in Charlotte, DeSoto, Sarasota County, that 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather does exist. Now, the rest of us still in marginal risk, that 1 out of 5 risk. That doesn't mean you're out of the woods. Just that little bit less of the ingredients will be in place, but still we could get at that tornado right in Lee County with a marginal risk. That still that odds are there for us to get maybe tornadic activity all across Southwest Florida if all the ingredients come together. So just that lower chance of that happening, again, south of Charlotte County. So what are we expecting? Mainly 40 to 50 mile-an-hour winds, maybe some gusts higher than that under those stronger thunderstorms for you. Rain's not going to be a major factor with us, anywhere from a ½ an inch to an inch worth of rain. Rip currents obviously high. You don't really want to be out in the water tomorrow anyway. Then the tornadoes possible, again, isolated. 1 or 2 tornadoes would not be out of the question. We saw just this past Saturday, just that funnel cloud that formed in Glades County, and we had one in Martin County, and then out in Fort Lauderdale, that EF0 that touched down, and just that EF0 with 80 mile-an-hour winds did some damage. So we could see those quick spin-up tornadoes here in Southwest Florida, and even if they're an EF0, it still can do some damage. So we do want to stay weather aware for you tomorrow. Then tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, we are shifting our eyes to the coastline here. That's where we do have a coastal flood watch for portions of Lee County and Charlotte County. And then you get north of that, Sarasota northward. That's where we're in that coastal flood warning. That's where we do expect the likelihood that we could see anywhere from 1 to 3 feet of coastal flooding, so that inundation of those high tides being even higher. So we saw that with our Gulf low that we saw early December that flooded some areas in Punta Gorda all the way out to the Celtic Gray. We could see maybe not quite to that extent, but still those low-lying streets there in, say, Charlotte County, or maybe downtown First Street here in Fort Myers could see some water on it. So we do want to stay weather aware for that on the back side of this because of that rough surf and then those winds shifting more out of the west on the back side of that front. Now, that's going to happen right around 10 o'clock, that highest risk for any of that coastal flooding right at high tide, and then we'll quickly go down from there. So we'll keep an eye on it on the back side of that front. But in the meantime, we need to stay weather aware, again, for that wind beforehand, and then those tornadic threat, that's damaging winds and maybe some hail up along the front itself for you on Tuesday night. Now, on the back side of this, though, drier air work its way in, mostly sunny skies, 69 degrees. And then as you get in towards the weekend, kind of an unsettled weather pattern. We got another cold front moving in on Friday. That's why you get another threat for some thunderstorms. Doesn't look as quite as dynamic of an event, but maybe still some storms there. And then that move into Saturday, then cool us off into Sunday. And then we'll warm back up as we get into Martin Luther King Jr. Day on Monday with another threat for maybe some isolated showers and thunderstorms in the forecast.